Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. I'm down in my radio room, a la old garage that was too small for a car. Testing the Raddy RF757. Did quite a bit of testing yesterday on AM and FM. They worked perfect. I made a listing of the stations within 30 miles of me, both AM and FM, and it found every one of them plus a few more. So AM and FM is fine. Audio quality is perfect. Right now, it's scanning the shortwave band, and hopefully it's going to finish up here in a few more minutes. It takes a long time to go from 3.2 megahertz to 30 megahertz because the increment is 5 kilohertz. So it takes a long time to scan. So far, it's up to 28 megahertz, and it's found 15 signals. A lot of them might be noise. I'm using the built-in antenna. I think there's a problem with my Megaloop antenna. May have suffered damage during the storm. I was checking out the shortwave band using my new Texan radio and that external antenna, and it wasn't doing very good at all. So I'm going to have to go out and see I know it fell down, but I don't know if it was damaged or not. I'll have to check it out. Okay, we're ending up here. So far, we've got 16 signals. Display is really nice. Lots of information. Okay, there's number one, which is noise. Okay, here we go. Noise.
By the government and mass media.
Getting some kind of interference. Could be my computer, a monitor. I'll have to. Let me turn my monitor off.
That's because the public isn't being told the truth about how Ebola spreads, and how individuals can help prevent transmission.
Okay, let me try.
You know, it's very difficult to convince
turning my computer on.
Whoever you may be around the world, that our world governments are in a very
okay, stand by. Sit down. Definitely sounds like data. Yeah, here's my computer. That's the one thing you got to watch out for. Oh, no, it's back. Well, let's see. Let me turn the volume down here.
On every side, at every level of media and government,
that's interesting. When I turned the volume down, the noise went away. Yeah, let me turn it back up.
Well, none of you can tell me. Not a one.
No, the noise is gone now. Oh, so something is generating noise. Turn the volume back down again. Now, things that are still active right now that I know of, let me set this down before I drop it, is I've got an Alexa right back there. That's generating a lot of...
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Okay, thank you. That's generating a lot of RF. Oh, anything else? I got a couple weather stations. Got the computer off. I don't have a laptop on. Got an overhead fan. I got lights. That could be the lights. Yeah, there's fluorescent lights. We turned it. It's interesting that it seems like the noise goes away when I turn the volume down. So let me turn the volume back up. Maybe I just can't hear it. Oh, I'm pushing the wrong button. Good grief. Okay, that's a good signal. Now that noise is gone. So maybe it's not me or it's my stuff. Okay, So that's 4.84. It sounds like the Preacher Man. Oh, now I'm out of that mode. Oh, gosh. Ooh. I'm out of that mode. That's the equalizer. Presets. Yeah, there we are. WWCR. Jeez, almost sounds like two stations. Okay, there's four. That's WWV. When we turn the volume up. Pretty strong. Going in and out. It's, what time is it? It's almost 7 a.m. in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. Now, I had my Texan on, connected to my Mega Loop, and I tuned to WWV on 5 megahertz, and it wasn't receiving it any better. I'm thinking maybe the Mega Loop is broken, because I switched to the internal antenna and the volume only went, the signal only went down a little bit. Let's go on. Okay, there's a Spanish station. I had the computer on so I could look these up. So much for that idea. That's another Preacher Man. Spanish. Spanish, of course. 9.150. Nothing there right now. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Just noise. Okay. I think what I'll do, and I won't do it in this video, I think I'll do another scan with, now that I've got some stuff turned off, and see what I get. And I'll put a comment in below this video telling you what the results were for the scan with. I'm going to even turn off my lights, because those fluorescent lights make a lot of noise. So that's it. Just started out. I've got so much to learn about this radio. Even though that it's very small print in some cases, very easy to read, even for blind old Tom. I like this radio so far. I'm a little kind of on the fence about this. This is the tuning wheel. Little on the fence about that. I've got to find my adapter so I can plug in an external antenna. Oh, that's interesting. Not sure what that interference is. Goes away when I move. Okay, so I'm going to do another scan, and I'll tell you the results in general. The AM and FM testing I did yesterday, everything was excellent, so no problems there. And this thing covers a long spectrum. Goes all the way up to 999 megahertz, I think, or something like that. So a lot of band we can test. I got a request to do check the SATCOM frequencies. Haven't played with SATCOM in years. I don't even remember exactly what it was, but the gentleman gave me the frequencies to try, and I will definitely have to use an external antenna because those signals are going to be kind of weak. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have anything you want me to try, please leave a comment. I'm still learning. I still only have about a half hour or an hour on this radio. I just begin to try all the options. Have a great day. Bye-bye.